Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much, y'all. Thank you. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and the ring bell. Join the family. Let's grow together. Let's do this thing together, okay? I love you. Listen, I just wanted to show you all how I redid my kitchen, okay? Because it was, let me tell you about my kitchen first. My kitchen was so dead. It didn't have nothing in it. It was just plain Jane, okay? So I was like, wait a minute. I got to get this kitchen together. All the rest of my house is almost, situated, but the kitchen was just looking lonely all by itself. So I said, wait a minute, I got to get this kitchen right. So what I did was became creative, and most of the stuff that I got, I'm gonna link down in the description below where I got it and stuff like that. But I'm gonna tell you something. It's all about your creativity at the end of the day. So let me show y'all what I came up with after I put my brain cells together and worked it. You hear me? Okay, check it out. Y'all have to excuse my kitchen, so it's a little off the chain a little bit, but I'm sorry about that. But yeah, this is what it looks like actually right now after I put my brain cells together and got it all the way together. Okay, so yeah, I did some decorations and stuff like that. Now I'm gonna tell you all where I got most of the stuff at, okay? And I'm gonna link it down below. But yeah, thus far, this is what I came up with. These I got from the Dollar Tree, okay? And Dollar Tree, I got this set from Walmart, and I just wrote on there because they didn't have anything written on there, and it lets me know what is what, okay? And so actually they came like this in a big square. So what I did was just cut them out in squares, and I placed them on my cabinets and on the bottom cabinets, on my dishwasher, and other little cabinets and stuff like that. So yeah, that's pretty much what I did. Now with my table, I've been having this china set for so long, and it was just sitting in the corner collecting dust. And so my table is small, so you have to excuse me, but I love a china set. I don't know about y'all, but I love a china set. Now by me having boys, of course I have two placemats right here for them to eat on once I move this out the way so they can sit and eat, and then I just place it back on the table. So yeah, overall that's what I came up with in my kitchen. Now my kitchen is not big, I'm sorry. It's not big at all. Yes, I have a chair right there by my back door. I'm in the country, and my camera's right there as well. That's for security purposes, so don't mind that, but y'all know what I mean. Yeah, so that's what I came up with. And those little curtains that I got, I believe I got those from Walmart, but I'm gonna hit down below, or put down below all the description, in the description, where you all can get all of this stuff. But yeah, if you get creative and you come up with something, you can work it. I'm telling you, you can work it. And I'm not in a very big house at all, but I'm gonna tell you something. You can work it out. Like I said, my kitchen is not big, my home is not big at all, but I like to live comfortable. I like to live, real nice, at least decent. And it ain't what you got or where you live, it's how you live, okay? So at the end of the day, like, I'm in a good neighborhood, don't get me wrong, and stuff like that, but I'm gonna get me a nice big house one day, and I'm gonna be a homeowner, and I'm decreeing and declaring that on today. I'm going to eventually be a homeowner one day. I'm gonna have a very nice big home, and yes, it's gonna be decked out. It's gonna be nice, because if y'all can see right now, I love decorating. I'm very creative. Look at all the other videos that I have on my channel. You can see that I'm a very creative person, so you already know how it's gonna go down if I get a very big house and I own it. Like, it's gonna jump out for real. But anyway, I wanted to give y'all an update, okay, on how my kitchen is looking, and this is what I did. And if I can do it, y'all can too. I mean, it ain't too much, there ain't nothing to it but to do it, right? You don't have to have all that expensive stuff or anything to make things look good. Like, you have to work with what you got, and if you work with what you got, you can make something happen. I don't know if y'all know anything about that, but where I came from, it ain't about what you have, it's about how you live. Not where you live, but how you live. So that stuff wasn't expensive, not at all. I promise you it wasn't. And it looked like it, because I put some flavor to it. It looked like it gets some taste and things like that to it, right? Because I was creative. But yeah, thank y'all so much for tuning in and joining me on today to show y'all an updated look on my kitchen. And look at some videos back and you can see, like, I didn't do a video about how it looked before, but I did a video in my kitchen a few times and you can see how my kitchen used to look. So if you go back and look at some videos, you can see it was just nothing, okay? But thank y'all so much. Hit the subscribe button and the ring bell so you never miss an upload. So until then, I see y'all some other time. See ya.